Now that you have registered online as a beauty service provider, here's a quick tutorial on how to get started on the EEVOY app. After you've downloaded the EEVOY app on the App Store, log in with the email address you entered under the Employee section of your online profile, and enter the temporary password you received from EEVOY in your email. The first screen you will see is the Feed page. This page is where you will find all the latest posts by you and users you follow. It is recommended that you begin posting when you sign up so customers can view your work. It's all about visuals when getting started, so the more content you post of your work, the more likely it is for customers to book an appointment with you and leave a review about how great you are at what you do. To get started with your first post, simply click the icon at the top right side of the screen and upload or take a photo or video of your work. The video time limit must not exceed 1 minute. Your photo or video will be watermarked with your username so others can find you if the post is shared via email, text, or other social media platforms like Facebook and Pinterest. On the top left side of the feed screen, you will find another icon. This icon is used to discover other users of the app. Simply search or scroll and follow users you like. EEVOY is a community of people that share an interest in everything beauty, so comment, like, share, and tag users in a post. Under the Browse screen, you will find the business you are linked to along with other beauty and barber businesses in the area. Under the Appointments tab, you will find details on your upcoming and past appointments from customers that book an appointment with you. You will also find appointments you book as a beauty service provider. The Notifications page will show you activities such as users that follow, comment, like your posts, or tag you in posts. You will also get notification reminders just like customers if you book an appointment through the app. For example, you may be a makeup artist and need to book an appointment with a hairstylist. So as a makeup artist, you will receive a notification reminder of your upcoming appointment with your hairstylist. Your profile page is where you will see the photos and videos you post. It will also show photos and videos you are tagged in by your clients. Users will not be able to tag you in a post unless they were an actual customer. The app is set up so no random user tags a business unless they were an actual customer. You will also find your occupation, business you are linked to at the top of the page, and verified customer reviews. At the top of your profile page, you will find a Settings icon. Click the Settings icon to update your information and occupation if needed. Be sure to also reset your password on this page so you're not using the temporary password going forward. Now that you've downloaded and are signed up on the EEVOY app, be sure to share your work for customers to see and book an appointment with you.